page. Okay, so after I ask you for all of that information and to interpret it, I ask you for measures of variability. So the first measure of variability I asked for is the split half. Now, to do a split half variability, remember you take half of the questions on the questionnaire and you total them up, and then you correlate them with the total of the second half of the questions on the questionnaire. So we have to create new scores. So we're going to go back to transform. It may be more comfortable for you to start with the data set, but you can also do it from the output window as well. So again, we're going to do transform. Now we're going to compute a new variable. And this variable, we're going to do trust, let's see, trust underscore top for the top half of the questions. And so in here, we're going to put questions 2R to question 18. So 2R, 16R, take this out. You know what, let me just do it over again. So you need 2R plus 3R plus 4R plus 5R plus, remember, regular 6 plus 8R plus 9R plus regular 11 plus regular 13 plus 14R plus regular 15 plus 16R plus regular 18. So that's all the questions up until 18. Let me just make sure. 2R, 3R, 4R, 5R, 6, 8R, 9R, 11, 13, 14, 14R, 15, 16R, and 18. So that's the top. And then we click OK. Then we need to do the bottom half. So that's going to be transform, compute variable. Now let's call this one trust underscore bottom. Now you can't do the regular minus sign. You have to do an underscore. You cannot start variables with a number in SPSS, and you can't have blank spaces. So that's why I'm using the underscore. Okay, so trust bottom. After 18, we need 21R plus regular 23 plus regular 24 plus 26R plus 29R plus regular 31 plus regular 32 plus regular 34 plus regular 36 plus 37R, oops, plus 39, regular 39, plus 40R. So the first set was 13 items. This second set is 12. Let's make sure I have them. 21R, regular 23, regular 24, 26R, 29R, 31, 32, 34, 36, 37R, regular 39, and 40R, and then you click OK. And again, it confirmed, I didn't get any errors. It confirms, so I put all the plus signs in the right place. And this variable, these two variables should show here, trust bottom and trust top. So to calculate the split half, remember you correlate the two halves together. To run a correlation, you do analyze, you do correlate, scroll down to correlate, and then you move over to bivariate. Okay, everybody see that? Analyze, correlate, bivariate, and then you click on it. Now, we're going to correlate the top to the bottom, and we're going to do a Pearson correlation two-tailed. So that's all you do. You move those two over and you click OK. Now in this case, I got 0.44. You will not get this, and your correlation will be significant. I don't have enough data, and that's why it's not significant, but let's pretend that it is. You have to then apply the Spearman-Brown formula, which is you multiply your correlation coefficient times 2. So let me just add in a thingy here. You don't have to do this. This is just so that you know. The Spearman-Brown equals 2 times the R value. Your R value is here. Pearson correlation. Since we just have these two things, trust top to the trust bottom, the correlation coefficient is this. So you're going to multiply that by 2. And then you're going to divide that by 1 plus R. So in this case, it would be 2 times 0.440, and then you would divide that by 1 plus 0.440, which would give you, in this case, 2 times 0.44 is 0.88, which would be divided by 1.44, and then whatever that answer is would be your answer for the split half correlation. Okay, so you're going to do that with the actual data set. I already know what the answer is. You will soon find out what the answer is for split half. The next type of reliability that I ask you to calculate is